I'm going to show you how to make the most flavorful tuna sandwich. I promise it's the only way you'll ever want to make it. I always start with a can of wild tuna with no added oil or water. I store the can in the refrigerator because I prefer to eat the tuna sandwich cold. The full recipe details are in the description box below. After draining away any liquid from the can, I add the tuna into a small bowl. I break up the large chunks with my fork. Then I go ahead and add chopped scallions. This gives a nice crunch to the sandwich. Then I mix it all together with my fork. Next I add avocado oil mayonnaise. We prefer avocado oil mayo, but you can add any type of mayo you prefer. I use 2 tablespoons of mayo, but you can adjust the amount of mayo depending on how wet or dry you will like your tuna. For seasoning, I add paprika, onion powder, black pepper, and salt. The salt is added to taste. I add cayenne pepper for some spice, but this is optional. Then I mix it all together. If I was going to be real authentic, I would put it on some hero bread, but I'm keeping it simple today and going to lightly toast some slices of potato bread. You can honestly use any kind of bread you like. This is just what we use in our house. I like to spread the honey mustard on my bread and add some sliced tomatoes, but the wife doesn't like it all that much, so I keep hers simple. I add a good amount of tuna for each sandwich. Then I add Swiss cheese to both and then cut the sandwiches in half. Once I add some chips, just that quickly, lunch is ready. This is my go-to recipe for a quick lunch. The description below will have the link for the full recipe. Thanks for watching and enjoy!